In our lives, puppies play a special role. They bring joy, companionship, and unconditional love into our homes. From the moment they enter our lives, puppies become integral parts of our families, and it is our responsibility to ensure they have a long, happy, and healthy life. Caring for the health and growth of puppies is crucial to ensuring their future well-being. Just like us, they also deserve all the attention and care to develop in the best way possible. Proper nutrition, regular exercise, and veterinary care are essential to ensure they grow up strong and healthy. When we commit to caring for puppies, we are investing in their future and our own. A healthy puppy is more than just a pet. It is a faithful companion who will be by our side through all of life's adventures. By taking care of their health from an early age, we are building a solid foundation for a long and happy life together. Furthermore, caring for a puppy teaches us valuable lessons about responsibility, empathy, and unconditional love. The dedication and commitment required to care for a puppy make us better people, more patient and compassionate. And as puppies grow into adults, they continue to teach us important lessons about loyalty, gratitude, and true love. So let's commit to caring for our puppies with all the love and dedication they deserve. Let's ensure they receive all the necessary care to grow up happy and healthy. By doing so, we will not only be investing in their future but also enriching our own lives with the loving and joyful presence of these four-legged companions. Caring for a puppy is an incredible journey, filled with love, joy, and mutual learning. Let's embrace this journey with all our hearts and celebrate the wonder and beauty of having a puppy in our lives. Because, after all, there is nothing more rewarding than seeing a puppy grow up happy, healthy, and full of life by our side. These primal nutrients support a healthy, happy dog. Maintain the health and happiness of your best friend using this exclusive formula, backed by science. September 2022, new scientific discovery. Scientists finally uncover the secret to a longer life for your pup. If you have been struggling for months or years to get your dog to regain its energy and zest for life with no results, know that it's not your fault. According to scientists from the University of Missouri, all the dog foods on the market, no matter how expensive, are full of hidden hormones and chemicals that are not natural or good for your pup. These hormones lead to subtle weight gain that is devastating to your dog's health. That's why we created UltraK9 Pro. This formula is unlike anything your dog has ever had before. Just imagine what it would feel like to see your dog regaining its vitality, enjoying improved digestion, and its fur always looking shiny and taken care of. Inside every drop of UltraK9 Pro, you'll find a bespoke proprietary formula of 9 special high-quality primal nutrients that are specially created to support the health of your dog. UltraK9 Pro, natural formula, no stimulants, plant ingredients, easy to use, non-GMO, no chemicals. Order 6 bottles or 12 bottles and get 2 free bonuses. Every order comes with free shipping too, 100% satisfaction, 60-day money-back guarantee. Your order today is covered by our ironclad 60-day 100% money-back guarantee. If you are not impressed with the results, then at any time in the next 60 days write to us and we'll refund every single cent. UltraK9 Pro contains a spectrum of carefully selected primal nutrients, which can turn your dog back into the fierce, healthy, and energetic wolf that he is deep inside. Visit the official UltraK9 Pro website in the description of this video and get more information. Thank you for taking care of your puppy.